Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. So today I'll discuss about keyword prioritization. Okay, so keyword prioritization in Google Ads. So how it's work and how and what it means for your campaign. Okay, so let's go. So what is keyword prioritization? And its definition, how Google decides who is of your ads to show when user searches for something relevant to your business. And OS ads can be matched like keyword search themes for PMAX and dynamic ad targets AI matching for PMAX. And why it matters. So multiple keywords can match the same query, but only one ad can show at a time. For example, user search like LED light bulbs and generic campaign light bulb and discount campaign like LED light bulbs on sale and dynamic search LED product page. So and keyword prioritization is 5 pillars. Okay, number one is exact match get top priority. That means identical match to query wins the auction. Keyword match get tops priority. Number one. And number two, identical equal exact identical. Misspelling okay, synonyms and plural not. That's mean misspelling is okay, but synonyms and plural not okay. And number three, phrase and broad share second place. PMAX search theme also at this level. Just PMAX search theme also at this level. And number four, ad rank breaks ties. Higher bid plus quality score wins. Number four pillar is ad rank breaks tie. Higher bids plus quality score wins. And number five, AI handles the rest. Machine learning picks most relevant match. Learning picks most relevant match. So now rule 1 and 2, exact match priority. Rule 1, exact match win. If you have an eligible exact match keyword identical to the user query, it's get prioritized and enters the auction above all others. Like here keywords, Google Ads tool and user search AdWords tool. So AdWords equal synonyms of Google Ads. This is eligible match, but not identical. No top priority. Okay, this is actual rule. So identical equals same letters or words, just not some meaning. And rule 3, what's count as identical? Like synonyms, Google Ads versus AdWords. This is not identical. And misspellings, Google Ads versus Google Ads. Google Ads versus Google Ads. This is a misspelling. This is identical. And plurals, ads tool versus ads tools. This is not identical. And this is actually plural. Then rule 3 and 4, phrase or broad mass plus ad rank. Rule 3, phrase and broad share second. When no identical exact match exists, Google looks for a phrase match, broad match, or PMAX search theme that is identical to the search. Example scenario like search user search Google Ads tool. So Google ad exact but not identical, or Google ads tool, this is misspelling, phrase misspelling, this is misspelling and phrase, and PMAX theme like Google Ads tool. And rule number 4, add rank breaks tie. When multiple keywords themes are the same priority level, the one with the highest add rank moves forward. So we know bid plus quality score equal add rank. So higher bids, then higher add rank, better quality score, then more like to win, and highest add rank enters the auctions. And rule 5, AI powered keyword prioritization. The most common scenario, a user search is not identical to any keyword or search theme, like keyword, search theme, dynamic ad target, PMAX, AI matching. Oh, this is a elevated all eligible targeting. Google AI. So, what does relevant mean to AI? Search meaning, full meaning of the user search query. I mean, what is intent for users search like their query, and all ad group keywords. Every keywords within the matched ad group, and landing page, content of landing page within the ad group. And 3 key implications for your account. Number 1, less control than you think. Number 1 is less control than you think. Embrace automation with a consolidated campaign structure. Fighting AI with thousands of exact match keyword and manual beats will cost you time and results. So work with the machine, not against it. This is very important. Work with the machine, not against it. And DSA, that's mean dynamic source ad. DSA are deprior- deprioritize. Dynamic source ad are pushed down in prioritization and in the setup workflow. Since Performance Max already uses DSA style matching, so Performance Max already uses DSA style matching. Expect dynamic ad group to eventually the migrate to PMax. Start testing board match plus RS alternative now. And number 3 key is ad rank still regains supreme. So as features revolve, the fundamentals stay the same. Your bid and quality score remain the most impactful levers you controls. Nail those and you will complete effectively regardless of how prioritization shifts. So keyword prioritization is not fully in your hand. Okay, keyword prioritization is fully in not fully in your hands, and that's okay. Focus on that can or focus on you can control this thing, like smart campaign structure, high quality ads and landing page, strong beats and quality score. Embrace AI, don't fight it. So this is our of focus uh, option and control. Okay, thank you so much everyone.